Elmer's Fluffy Slime Kit and Elmer's Fairy Dust Slime Kit. And let's make some slime. Whoa, this is so glittery. Can't even get this out. Oh, I think we're supposed to pull it out of the slime out. Yeah. Okay, there we go. And the pink one. Oh, there's two. Why is there two? Here. So, oh my gosh. I saved my life. I might need a little help here. Never mind. I just took that out. Why is this? Why is everything falling out? So I got a blue one and a pink one. And I got a pink one and a purple one. She got a pink one and a purple one. So let's get these out of the way. Yeah, get the boxes. Let's get our bowl. Step 1. Pour the glitter glue into your container. All of it. Make sure it's all. You have to do this. This is so glittery. This is not coming out right. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know if this is the whole bottom. Okay, it's not letting go. Uh-oh. Oh! So there's bubbles in this, I guess. Yeah, I think I emptied it. Okay, let me just make sure that I emptied it too. I think it's just the size. Smells weird. Okay, guys, look at how much is in my bowl. Look how much is in my bowl. Okay. I'm literally just letting it go. Okay, yeah, it's not coming out. It's just going one by one. 2. Add the fluffy slime activator and add the magical liquid. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Goodness. Meliah, good luck. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. I'm just gonna put it onto the slime because I want it so fluffy. I think that's enough. 3 is mix. 3, 2, 1. Mix. Make sure you mix like the the fluffy slime activator. Make sure you mix that because it's like gonna make the slime. It smells like the cool. Okay. There we go. I don't know. This is very like chunky, and I can't like mixing it so hard, and it's like see. It smells like the pool in here. Wait, Meliah, it smells like the pool. Yeah, I think I put a little too much. I'm trying to mix it. Step 4. Take out your slime and mix it with your hands. No! Don't fall on me! No, we already have enough on the table. Guys, I like doing this with my slime. No! Guys, my hands are a bit sticky, but okay. I'm gonna wash my hands after this, so hello guys. That song is actually stuck in my head. The song that we did at the master is actually just stuck in my head. What song? The one that we had to do the warm up. Yeah, they put us on. Why is there so much slime? I'm gonna have to mix that. Guys, it's turning into like chunks. But it is not fluffy at all. Unless I have to do those things on the whatever table. We did that on the last video. And the other video. And they throw it so hard, like it sticks. Yeah. Onto you. So if it sticks onto you, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Mine's just a second. All I know is I don't know. I think all I know that is that I'm making slime. Getting less stickier. So, oh guys, I've been mixing this for an hour now. No. Well, it felt like an hour. No, it doesn't. It does. It's so hard to mix. 10 minutes later. Guys, I'm still at mixing. 1 hour later. Guys, I'm still mixing. 24 hours later, I'm still mixing. 24 years later. Guys, it's the end of the video. I gotta go wash my hands, but I rate this a 9.4 out of 10 because it is really sticky, but I do like it because it was actually very funny. So, what do you rate yours? A 10 out of 10. Why? Because I like it like this because it's so stretchy and it takes no as slime. Guys, I think you should go watch the whole video because, yeah, some craziness happened. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, well, I gotta go wash my hands. Peace.